In the midst of the maddening war that is ruthlessly engulfing the Holy Land, Archbishop of New York Cardinal Timothy Dolan visited the Holy Land during 5 days, last 12th of April, to offer hope despite growing unrest and tensions. During his visit, Cardinal Dolan met with leaders of the Catholic churches in Jerusalem with the goal of strengthening the spirit of solidarity, unity, and humanitarian cooperation. During his visit, he also visited humanitarian institutions under the church in the city of Bethlehem. On the political level, the Cardinal visited the Palestinian president and his Israeli counterpart, urging them to work towards achieving lasting peace in the region.
I must be honest. We have seen reasons to cry. We have seen reasons to smile. We see darkness, we see light, we see death, we see resurrection. Think of where we'd be, everybody, just for a minute, if instead of spending all the money on military weapons, we were able to spend money on houses, on hospitals, on schools, on homes like this for the aged. Think of how that would enhance the sanctity of human life and the dignity of the human person. Think how that would make everybody more safe and secure and eager for peace.
As chairman of the CNEWA Council, Cardinal Timothy Dolan, with the Latin Patriarch of Jerusalem, Cardinal Pierbattista Pizzaballa, and Monsignor Pietro Vaccari, Director General of CNEWA, celebrated a Mass of Thanksgiving on April the 13th. The occasion was the 75th anniversary of the founding of the Pontifical Missions in Jerusalem, based at the Notre Dame Church. The next day, Cardinal Timothy Dolan celebrated again at Annunciation Latin Church in Beit Jala with a group of local believers. The Pontifical Mission has been operating since its founding and focuses its efforts on meeting the needs of the local community, alleviating its suffering and preserving its dignity. We are very happy about his visit for more than one reason. First, because it strengthens the relationship of the Pontifical Mission with the local community. Secondly, because it highlights the work, programs and projects of the Pontifical Mission that are being carried out in the name of His Holiness the Pope. For this is the mission of His Holiness the Pope for the relief and development of the Holy Land. His visit also sheds light on the various aspects of Christian life in the Holy Land, from the Western and Eastern churches to the monastic orders and church institutions that provide valuable services in the Holy Land in more than one area. The Cardinal's meetings with the local community also confirmed that the Christian presence in the Holy Land is the leaven of this land, as more than 40% of Palestinians depend on the services of its institutions. The Pontifical Mission in Jerusalem wanted to organize meetings between Cardinal Dolan and Palestinian refugees from the Aida camp in the Bethlehem district. They also wanted to hold seminars that would strengthen the spirit of dialogue and understanding between different religions, including those focused on the issue of incitement to hatred and exploitation of social media platforms to offend society.
So the path to peace is not about military weapons, not even about a lot of money, not even a lot about politics, even though all of those are important. It's all about love and service and caring for those who are suffering. And I'm so glad to see it do this.
Given the escalation of the war in the Holy Land during his visit, Cardinal Dolan had to cut it short, anticipating his return to New York on April 16th. The formula for achieving peace that Cardinal Timothy Dolan brought with him which is based on love, is the only formula for salvation from the scourge of wars, destruction, and weeping, wherever they may be found. He who has ears, let him hear.